Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the cabinet door on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes and fasten them using the provided screws. Attach the rubber bumpers to the front corners and set your door aside. Locate one of the narrow side panels of your cabinet box and lay it on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert a shelf support peg into the hole at the center of your panel and use your hammer to straighten it and gently tap it into place. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes found toward the bottom of your side panel. Locate the bottom panel of your cabinet box and attach it by aligning the dowels with the holes on your side panel. Be sure the long grooves at the back of both panels are aligned. Gently tap the bottom panel with your rubber mallet to ensure it's correctly seated. Turn the panels on their side and use your nail gun to secure where the bottom and side meet. Secure the panels further using your drill and screws. Once complete, turn the panels over so the bottom panel faces upward. Locate the other narrow side panel and place it on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes found toward the bottom of your side panel. Align the dowels found on the side of your bottom panel with the pre-drilled holes and push the panels together. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Turn the panels and use your nail gun and screws to secure where the bottom and side meet. Align the back panel with the joint grooves on your bottom and side panels and slide it into place. Push firmly on the back panel to ensure it's correctly seated. Use your nail gun to secure the top two corners of the back panel to each side. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes at the top of your cabinet box and install the bridge beam by aligning the dowels with the holes and pushing firmly. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to ensure a tight fit. Use your nail gun to secure where the bridge beam meets the side and back panels. You may need to tap the back panel into place again with your mallet to ensure it stays aligned with the rest of the panels throughout this step. Once the nailing is complete, use your drill and screws to further secure the bridge board to the side panels. Locate your wide side panels. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowels found on the side and bottom panels of your cabinet box. Be sure the long angled edges of the wide side panels face the front of your cabinet box and align the holes with the dowels found on your bottom and narrow side panels. Push the panels into place and gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Use your drill to attach corner brackets to the top of the wide and narrow side panels. Use your nail gun to secure where the wide side panels, narrow side panels, and bottom panel meet. Add the remaining shelf supports to the pre-drilled holes inside your cabinet box. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes at the front of your cabinet box and install the small bridge board. Nail the bridge board to the side panels using your nail gun. Use your drill and screws to secure the bridge board further into place. Turn the cabinet box onto its side so the door opening is facing you. Place the cabinet door on your work surface and push it against the side panel. Ensure there's an even space roughly equal to the thickness of a credit card between the panels. Use your drill to secure the hinges into place using the provided screws. Stand your cabinet box upright. Lastly, lower the adjustable shelf into the cabinet box and angle it into place until it sits firmly on the shelf pegs. Congratulations on completing your assembly.